This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the front wiper arm fully away from the glass until it locks, and then rotate the blade. Press apart the retaining clips, slide the blade out of the arm's hooked end and over the end of the arm. Slide the wiper blade over the arm, then pull it firmly into the hooked end, ensuring the retaining clips engage. Rotate the blade and gently lower the arm down to the glass. Pull the arm away from the window until it locks. Carefully prise the blade from the arm using the fingers only until it is released. Press the new blade into the arm, ensuring it engages the retaining clip securely. Gently lower the arm onto the window.